Today we are jumping on a trend. The trend is how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. Welcome back to our channel, Sophia and Demand here. Today we are on jumping on this trend. I've been seeing a lot of this video coming up on how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. So I decided today, 4 months later, let me also what is my take on this type of video. YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. If you're watching my channel now, we have more than 500 subscribers. It took me less than a week to move from 500 subscribers to the subscribers that I have. But that is a topic of another day. If you want to hear about it, just comment down below in the comment section. Then I will make a video about how did I move from less than 500 subscribers to more than 3,000 subscribers within 1 week. YouTube have really changed my life. I did not know how to edit video. I did not have a lot of friends that are close to me. I also never really understand the whole concept of putting myself out as social media. But things have changed ever since I started my YouTube channel. For now, my life has changed. YouTube have enabled me now to start a new hobby, such as this one of making video that as you are seeing today. This is one of the things that I've learned from YouTube. Is where I learned how to edit video. Is where I learned how to make a good introduction and all these things. So YouTube has really changed my life. Apart from that, I've also ventured into a new hobby, which is also part of my work, which is gardening. I have a backyard garden. For those ones that have been watching my video for some time, you know that I have a backyard garden and you've seen it. And there's a video coming up on my garden look like currently, where I learned which crop to plant with season. I learned from YouTube how to use fertilizer and how to harvest and even how to cook. And I've generated money from my backyard garden, that is just backyard, from learning from video and from YouTube. Also, YouTube have enabled me to learn how to bake cakes, cupcake, and do different type of pastries. So from YouTube and baking, I've generated some income from baking alone, which have enabled me to fill in some gaps in my spending. YouTube have also taught me how to save money, how to make money, how to personal development things like how to maintain cleanliness in my house, how to keep well organized, and how to just live a simple life and how to live alone. As currently I live alone and I'm enjoying it and I'm fulfilled being alone. And also when people come and stay with me, I'm also feeling good about being with people, or good when they are not around, for I can live with myself. YouTube have also enabled me to make video of the country that I've traveled. I went to Japan where I stayed more than 4 months and I loved it there, and I have some video about my stay in Japan, and I really loved being in Japan. I loved the food more, especially the bread. I learned about Japan from YouTube before I went there, so when I went there I really know what I wanted to go to there. I've also, just in January this year alone, I went to Malawi where I stayed a week. It was so beautiful. I loved it and I generated a lot of content from Malawi. Also, I'm inspired to visit other 5 countries in Africa. I'm thinking of Uganda, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Angola, and the other one I'm still thinking about it. So I want to visit other African countries, experience their life. For I realize when you visit people, when you go live their life, you start understanding them and become less judgment. So YouTube have really helped me learn about those other countries through other people's lens. And also from my lens, you also learn about those other countries that I learned for the videos I just in my own. YouTube have enabled me to bring out my creativity. For now, I make video. I love them. I love making video like the one I'm making now. I'm enjoying it. Previously, it would take me a lot of days for me just to sit up and make one video because I feel not confident. I feel not okay. This is not enough or that. But right now, even with our electricity off, our sun rays is the one that I'm now using to lighten up me. I'm not having any other light, and I'm just in my house hanging out on a Sunday and loving it. That for YouTube is just to bring out your creativity, just and share it with the rest. Of all the videos that I've been creating on YouTube, it's just a creative act, and I love that I have videos and I can see myself from another person's point of view. For when I judge myself or I look at myself, I'm not able to give myself so good answers. But when I do videos like this and I sit down and watch them, I see where I need to improve. I see where I'm doing good. I see all these things, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself that I'm seated here. And then is this YouTube now that have enabled me to sit here and see myself from aside from myself. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. For now, not a lot of people watch my videos. Mostly I have hundreds of views only. I can put out my video there, and the stakes are not high. For I'm still learning. For those one that are beginning or starting like me, you can just start. When I started the channel, I never had any gears. If maybe for those one who want to start a YouTube channel, you don't need to wait to get the perfect phone, the perfect camera, the perfect everything. Just start with what you have. I started with my phone. I don't have it with me right now. And then right now I still use my phone. This one is the one I use for most of my video, but currently now I'm using the camera. It's a Canon E200D is the one I've been using in most cases. And my friend of mine borrowed me the camera, so the camera is not mine. I just use it for my video and then return it back. But hopefully soon I'll be able to afford my own camera. For now, I feel so privileged and lucky that I have a 9 to 5 that I go to Monday to Friday, plus my side hustle, which is YouTube now. I create better content, but I love my growth that I've underwent from the funny video where I use my creativity. The first video that I put up, it was unedited video, to the one now where I'm using the camera. And now normally I use all the automatic setting on the camera, but this one now, today I decided to sit down and try to put those settings. So I hope you guys love the setting that I put today, and we'll come back for more. So guys, what do you think of the setting that I used today? Are they better than the previous video? For those one who have watched the video that I put up of the item that I bought from the Angolan market, I will still put it down here in the comment section. It was a bit yellow, for I didn't know how to use the setting, and somebody put for me those settings, and I just record. I didn't know I knew one need to put up the setting according to the lighting and all this one, but this time around I did not. I didn't know how to use them, but today I decided to spend. It took me 20 minutes to do this setting that I put up to get it right like this. And I'm very passionate about this YouTube journey, and I've been doing it for 3 years, some months on and off. But I'm so grateful that this year alone I've been posting consistently every week, except for 1 week because when I came from from Malawi, I was exhausted, and I just rested for a week before I started posting. But for those one that want to start, don't be intimidated. Like, I don't have the best camera, I don't have this and that. Just start where you are. Most of the YouTubers, the bigger YouTubers that you are seeing now, most of them were at the same exact position that you are. You never know, maybe you'll be the one that will blow up next time. Unfortunately, even though I tell you guys to go start your YouTube channel or to post your first video, you will not do it, for you are afraid to be, you are going to be scared that people are going to judge you. You're going to be scared, what will people say. Those were the exact those were the exact thing in my mind, like when I started. Like, how would the people at work say about my video? How will people see me? Will people see all this aspect of my life and all this one? But anyway, I've started. I'm over that fear. Now I'm not fearing anymore of what people could say, what they can comment, or all this one. For also yourself, just start today. Start today. Post that video that you're having in your phone, and see where it goes. And if you are watching up to now, and you decided to go post your first video, or you are an existing YouTuber, please comment down below. I'll go subscribe to your channel and watch out your videos. Then just comment. And if you want maybe to ask any other personal question, you have to go to my Instagram and inbox me there. In my name is just the same, which is Sophia on Demand on Instagram. Also, I'm more active on Instagram than here. And for content creation and video editing are in demand right now. As you can see, most of the companies, the bigger companies, they're advertising on these platforms. So make those videos, post them, and then the advertiser will pay you. Just imagine you're just going to show your life unscripted. And the good thing about you can put up any video about almost any topic that you love, and then people are going to watch you, and it will cost you mostly nothing. For those, in most cases, those are the things that you are going to do anyway. Like right now, if I'm going to bake a cake, it's because I'm craving for a cake, but then it's something I was going to go do. So now that I'm showing you, I'm just creating value by showing you how to bake a cake, and then me getting views and getting some coins from advertisers. I used to get so much help to do almost everything, like operating the camera, I didn't know. Editing, I didn't know. Video ideas, okay, I had a little bit. But right now, I'm doing most of those things by myself, for myself. So this year, expect more. I'm going to do sit-down video. I'm also going to do live I'm not yet monetized, and I want to get monetized. My watch hour keep on going up and down, but right now they are looking good, and just make this video go viral, and then we can get monetized. Then I'll create for you guys better content. And if you are watching this video, maybe you are introvert, maybe YouTube is more good for introvert, for you can do your video alone by yourself. Yeah. So for now, I'll see you again in few days. The last time I told you I'll go see you in 2 days, so I'm yet back in 2 days. So again, I'll see you I'll see you in 2 days again. For I'm going to be consistent this year. I've seen Namibian YouTubers doing it, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and just become a member of this channel. So guys, I'm on my this year. I would love to at least attain 10,000 subscribers. We are at 3,000, almost 4,000. So guys, please do subscribe and share the video with with other viewers, and just tell me what do you think of this video. Guys, I'm also having other social platforms such as Instagram with the same name, Sophia on Demand, and TikTok also. And there I just posted my three videos. So please go follow me on other platform. And if you have enjoyed this video, if you are going to start your channel, if you are going to review your channel, for those ones that are going to start, just sit down, make your first 50 ideas. And that are starting, go do your first like what I did myself here. These are my 100 video ideas for this year. I'm not really going to do exact what I wrote here, but they're just going to act as a guideline. Like even this topic, how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. It's also part of the topic that I chose. For those ones that are starting YouTube channel, first put up 50 video ideas, and then shoot your video, and then come comment here, and then I'm going to follow you, and I'll also ask my 5 friends to follow you back. So thank you for watching this video. Come back more for other content. My channel, I normally make video about agriculture and food production, cooking, a little bit of lifestyle. So thank you.